How to download YouTube video directly in your PC or laptop. Hey guys, if you guys are wondering and wanting to do that, you may follow up these simple steps in order to do so. Head over to youtube.com for that and log in. Use your Google account in order to log in. And once you are here, what you can do is you may just basically head over to a video and create up a playlist first. So the video should be downloadable. First of all, let's head over and let's say this video. Look out for it, click on the three dot beside it and look out for this option of save to playlist. Click on it. And again, just go ahead and create up a new playlist, the playlist that you would like to download. So just go ahead and type it in here, hit enter. After that, go ahead and create. You can select visibility private and click create. Now, once this is done, you can head back to your home page. Look out for the option of playlist from your screen, click on it. And here, let's say this is the playlist we created, look out for it. And once you do, here you can easily find an option of download within the playlist. You may just go ahead and look out for that download option right here in the section if it is available. If not, look for download option here and click on it. And once that is done, you may just go ahead and confirm it and it should start downloading on your device and it should automatically be downloaded. So that's it. You may follow up this method in order to download that video on your device as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.